What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have this gaming chair, this cool gaming chair that I saw at Costco. Now, when they first came out, which was like November, all right, now I don't know if this is like a yearly thing with them. I know sometimes with my Respawn chair, Sam's Club have it yearly, but with this one, it's called DPS, and it says damage per second. So that's the name of the brand. It's pretty cool. I like it. It has a little bomb with a flame on it. And when it first came out, it was like November. And I was like, I like this chair, but the price was like $180, almost like $200. All right. And I'm like, nah, I'll wait till it go on sale. Right. So almost around Christmas time, they dropped this thing like $70. So it was $130. And I even waited longer. Okay. So I waited till after Christmas and I bought this thing as like a damaged box. So the box is damaged and this was the last box that they had. Definitely got a heck of a discount, damn near half off. So this is my first time opening this box. And if it's damaged, we have the receipt. And I don't know if they still selling this thing, you guys. All right, so we have the screw, hardware. Everything is packaged very well in here. Got all this packaging. Oh, wow. Let's start out with something small. Ooh. All right, you guys. It seems more gray than it was white. Alrighty. So everything looks well. All right, you guys, so now we are about to install this gaming chair, and the first thing it says is to install the casters onto the base, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to go step by step, and hopefully I don't get stressed out. I reviewed the locker, and the locker stressed me out, you guys. It stressed me out to a point where I stopped reviewing for a couple of days. 4 gaming chairs in the house, all right? So, installing gaming chairs should be easy for me, right? Should be, but guess what? Still got to look at instructions. Every company is not the same. So all you do is just push it in, all right? Push it in. And make sure y'all save the box so y'all can have some, like a little stand to do this on. So the base is done. I'm gonna put that over here. Ooh, rolls nice and good. Nice and smooth. All right, so next it says turn the base B over, insert the gas lift. So you insert it like this. And then you just leave it just like that. Now we are going to install the armrest. Here goes the seating part. So they let you know what's the front, and we need to figure out what's the front of here. It says front over here. Okay, so this goes like this. All right, so you have front here, and on the seat, it says front right there. All right, you guys, so the next thing we have to install is this seating plate. All right, so this is supposed to be in the front. So if you look at the instructions, this adjuster here is supposed to be in the front. And that's it. Let's install our J screws. Always make sure you keep your tools where you can remember them, because, you know, this is very handy to have in case it loosens. Sometimes screws loosen up through like vibration, you getting up, sitting back down, getting up, sitting back down. Sometimes the vibration will loosen screws on the armrest and the base. All right, it says set 5, insert the support plate. Push this back and you actually have to hold it up. Now this will be good to have a buddy system. If you don't have a buddy, then you're gonna be just like me. I'm just gonna put the screw in it and that's it. So let's see what happens. This has some scratches right there, but you will never see it because, great. You will never see this part because if you're blogging or gaming or something, that part is not seen. The next step, we have to put it on top of the piston. I call it a piston, but it's the gas lift. We are now going to put it onto the gas lift. Once again, it'd be nice to have help if you had help with you. And it's in. You guys, this chair is so comfortable. It looks cool. Oh, it's so quiet. We're going to get into the headrest. Looks nice, looks nice. All right, and it just says put the headrest down. You can kind of tell what's the front and back on here. They don't label it for you, but obviously this is going to be the front. It has like a little indent to where your head rests right there. Even with this, it has that little arch right here. So let's see what happens. They're saying this goes in and out. This back part right there, you can adjust your headrest because it clicks. Has a little clicking mechanism in it. All right. Oh, and it is comfortable. Oh my God, this chair feels so good. On your side, you have your adjusters. You push in and then you lift up, and you can have it up pretty high or you can have it down low. So I like mine up high, depending on how you have your setup. All right, you guys, oh my God. When you sit down on this thing, it's like a cloud, you guys. They should have called this chair cloud chair or something like, ooh-wee. This is comfortable. All right. So, you know, you got your side adjustments. The only thing I could say about this chair that, you know, I like my Respawn chair, the way it can recline all the way back. This one, you don't recline all the way back, unfortunately. I'm trying to look for the where's the recline thing on here? Oh, I found it, you guys. So if you want to recline, that's it. So this is as far back as you can go when you recline. But on my Respawn chair, you can lean all the way back. So let's say you want to sleep on your gaming chair. Let's just say you sleep on your gaming chair. That's something I probably will miss in my studio. You know, sometimes I'll be up late night and I just recline back in my gaming chair and then I fall asleep. And the thing about the Respawn is it had this leg rest right here. So you can actually pull out this leg rest. I'm gonna show you. And you can get on your leg rest. This is bonus, you guys. You can click off of the video. I'm done. Like, comment, and subscribe. So, with your Respawn, you can sit in your chair. Why all of a sudden I can't find a recline? I always could find a recline. Okay, there you go. Oh, all right, you guys. Now y'all see the difference on the recline, right? Now, on the Respawn, I could be like this and put my legs up. So I will always miss this with the Respawn. So I might switch back and forth. I might keep both gaming chairs, you guys. I was thinking about just maybe giving this one to my oldest. My oldest has an older chair, right? So I was thinking about giving this to him. He will definitely love this chair. But I might actually keep this one. I might keep it late nights. I use this one. I use this in the day, use this in the night. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I got more cool products coming on the channel. And I'll catch y'all in the next product review.